Hi. One of the things that I am asked often is that what is the next big theme or the next big driver for the markets? And let me tell you something that will change things fundamentally for the economy as well as the corporate earnings, and that is crude, the price of crude oil. So, as you all know, India is a big importer of crude. Compared to last year's peak of crude oil has come down about almost 40% now. So, if it sustains anywhere near that level between the 30 and 40% mark, which is like around 70, 80, $85, something like that, that changes a lot of things for India. Obviously, it changes the current account deficit because we are a big importer of crude. It brings down inflation, it brings down the household budget, it creates room for demand for other things, which means that it drives GDP growth. As far as industries are concerned, crude coming down is not just crude but also all the downstream petrochemical products which are used as input in many industries, from textile, chemicals, paints, FMCG, which is also helped by things like the palm oil price coming down, or even cement. So there's a whole lot of sectors that get positively impacted when crude and other commodity prices come down, and they have a choice that either pass on that drop in input prices to the consumer and drive demand, or let the prices remain the same and let the margins expand. Either way, it is positive for corporate earnings, and which means positive for the stock market in general. That impact you have not seen much in the January to March quarter, but you will start to see from the April to June quarter. So crude can be the big positive driver for many factors in the Indian economy and the corporate earnings. And of course, as you know, as inflation comes down, there is less pressure on RBI to raise rates, so that can be another positive. I hope that gives you a framework to think about how many ways crude prices impact us.